Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm here to share day 9 and 10 with you on the 24 days of Christmas that I'm doing with a bunch of girls. And my partner is Nada, who's Nada Creations here on YouTube. Um, so let me share day 9. So we came on yesterday and opened 8 more gifts. Um, and I just wanted to share what Nana has either created or bought for me, and I love everything she has given me so far. So she has gifted me this beautiful Paris sticker. I love it. I want to put it on something. Um, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to put it somewhere. So thank you, Nate. And then she gave me a notepad, and I have these for my. Um, I always make lists. Lists is everywhere. I have notebooks everywhere, and then this has an awesome um, what do you call it? Calendar to help me plan out my week, or my month. So thank you, Nina. I appreciate it. And I will be back for 11 and 12. So thanks, everybody. Have a great week, and I'll see you Friday. Bye, everyone.